What are you talking about?
We can't leave and the baby's coming, so guess what's going to happen?
No, I can't do that. I can't have my baby like this.
You don't have a choice.
Who's gonna deliver it?
I guess I am.
What? You're gonna deliver my baby?
You see anybody else here?
Oh, God, no. This can't be. Oh.
I'm not loving it either, but here we are.
No, I need a hospital, okay? And a doctor and drugs.
That's not gonna happen.
I don't want to be trapped here with you.
Believe me, I'd rather be looking for Skylar. He's out there right now, all alone, and nobody cares but me.
Fiesta! You ruined my life! You took Gigi! I will... Okay, here we go! Yeah!
They're coming faster.
It's not supposed to be like this.
You knew it would hurt, right?
I can't do it.
This baby is going to come whether you want it to or not.
No, I'm not ready. Not like this.
You had 9 months.
Were you ready when Shane was born?
Hell no, but I did it, and I was still a teenager.
Well, I'm not you.
No, you're not.
What was that look?
I have to deliver a baby.
See, it sucks for the both of us.
Yeah, but it's here, right?
Maybe if I try to go to sleep or something, I could stop it.
Stacey, it doesn't work like that. Okay, breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Hee hee hoo. Hee hee hoo. Hee hee hoo. Breathe.
I wish Rex was here.
Guys.
Let me go! Stop! You're the bastard! I will kill you! Shut up, both of you! What is your problem? Ask that lying piece of garbage!
Forget about Rex.
But he's
not here. We both have work to do. Truth is, he'd be a wreck. We're better off.
baby. Wait, don't go!
I have to get some more blankets and pillows, and I have to boil water, and we need scissors or something to cut the cord.
Oh, God.
Trust me, you won't feel it by then.
Wait, don't leave me, please.
Stacey, I won't set foot outside the cabin, okay? But I have to run upstairs, and you have 2 jobs while I'm gone. Don't push.
Oh, that's no problem.
Yes, it is. You'll want to, but don't. And relax. You won't want to, but it'll really help the baby, I swear. Talk to it.
Her.
Her. Okay, talk to her. Tell her everything is going to be all right.
What's going on there, girl? You're not supposed to be coming now. Unless you really are Rex's baby after all.
You okay? What are we gonna do, Rex? Kill him? It's done. Really? Yes, forget it, it's over. Good. Because we've got more important things to worry about, okay? I found Mitch. What? He's up here? Yes. Like we thought, that old geological observatory about a mile that way. Did you find Jessica? Well, Brody got there first. He was taking care of her when I left, and I still haven't found John or Natalie.
Stacy, where's Stacy? How's she?
I know you're not Rex's baby, but we'll make it true. You helped me out by coming earlier. Now I don't have to tell Gigi or anyone that Rex isn't your father. We make a good team, girl. Best friends. Just don't tell Kimmy.
Breathe in through your nose. Don't push. Are you pushing? Don't push, Stacey. Not yet. Just breathe. Okay. Wow, these contractions are coming really fast.
I'm gonna do too fast.
I was in labor with Shane for 12 hours, so you're lucky this will be over soon.
I'm gonna die.
No, you won't.
I should.
No one's gonna die. You have to make breakfast for the next 18 years.
I'm gonna be a lousy mother.
Everybody thinks that.
Oh, Gigi, I'll suck and you know it. I don't know anything about kids.
Neither did I. You learn on the job.
She's gonna hate me.
No, she won't. She'll be the one person who totally loves you. And when you hold her in your arms and you see the little person that you and Rex made, the whole world falls into place.
Did you find Stacy?
No. Well, didn't Mitch take her? Yeah, but she was gone by the time Brody got to the site. Well, gone where?
Okay, good. Now deep breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Slow breath. Got it? Okay.
Why are you being so nice to me?
You're in labor. That's punishment enough.
You want to go find Skylar, don't you?
Yeah.
I wouldn't believe you if you left.
I wouldn't do that to an innocent baby.
Something happened between Mitch and Stacy, and he threw her out.
Stacy got thrown out of her own kidnapping?
Yeah.
Well, that was a shock. Whoa. Was he trying to kill her? Or...
No, I don't know. It was like punishment.
For what?
Lying to him?
Mitch figured out it wasn't his grandchild.
What?
Stacy, she's not having my baby. It's Skylar's.
You would help me no matter who the father was?
It's still a baby.
Oh, God! Oh, God!
I can see the top of the baby's head.
No!
It's time!
No,
It's time! Push!
No, you said not to!
But that was then!
No.
Now! Do it now! Push!
Please!
I've got you, Stacy, okay? You can do this! Take a deep breath! Push!
Come on,
Todd, don't!
Is that the fight? About the baby?
He knew for months.
Rex, I'm sorry.
No, hey, don't be. This is the best news I've gotten since Shay went into remission. Stacy is not my problem anymore.
Oh, you jackass! She's a pregnant woman who got thrown out into a storm.
Hey, you call me jackass, huh? Hey, did you find any trail, any sign of Stacy?
No. There were too many tracks going in and out of the site. There's no way to tell which ones were hers.
Well, we have to find her.
Right.
Oh, it could be worse. Well, at least we know she's not in labor.
Okay, that looks good.
How do you know?
I don't know, but it looks like the baby's coming.
I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. Keep going. You're almost there.
No, I'm done.
No, you're not. This little girl wants to meet her mom.
She doesn't want me. I'm a horrible person. I hurt so many people.
So now you want to hurt the little baby?
No.
Okay, Stacy. When you see your baby, it's the best feeling. It'll all be worth it. I promise. Now try.
I am.
One more push. One big push. Think about everything you've ever wanted and you'll have right now. One more push. Think about your family with Rex. Think about everyone who ever got in your way. You want to win? Think about everything you do to win. This is it. Come on, push. Stace, open your eyes. Say hi to your little girl.
Oh, no.
She's so quiet.
That means she's okay, right? She moved.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. You could have just left.
You missed this?
You delivered a baby.
I know, I can't, I'm shaking.
I can't either. Oh, man, you were so great.
She's really beautiful. And talented. Anybody who can get us to stop fighting for 2 minutes.
We didn't fight all the time.
Yes, we did.
When we ran that Rodeo Drive agency. We were a team then.
Oh, man, yeah. Sierra. What was your doll's name?
Rose, but Sierra was mine.
Private detectives by day.
Girl band by night. We were ahead of the curve. Weren't we? Yes, we were.
Those girls were awesome.
Yeah, that was my best memory of growing up in that house.
Yeah, it's too bad
What?
that we couldn't stay like that.
Yeah, maybe we can. Sierra Rose. That's gonna be your name.
Fits.